RTV, or sometimes called Retherm ovens, provide power in your kitchen and allow for fast, accurate cooking. Winston RTV units boast the most kilowatt cooking power of any other ovens in our product suite. RTV units are perfect for bringing frozen or prepared food up to safe temperatures fast. Even scratch cooking is a snap. RTV ovens are often compared to combis, but are more flexible and don't come with higher costs and crazy maintenance schedules. Winston RTVs are most utilized by the following markets: schools, healthcare systems, and chains. They are also found worldwide and used by some of the most widely known chefs and restaurants to provide an extra hand in the kitchen. Cook baked potatoes, reheat barbecue, cook frozen pizzas, and steam veggies. These are just a few examples of what the RTV unit can do. Although, there are a number of other popular applications the RTV can be used for. RTV is a great option because the oven operates like two pieces of equipment in one footprint. Cook and hold in the same unit without the need to move cooked items into holding equipment after the cooking process. In most applications, RTV does not require a hood. This means no need for costly renovations or new construction. In addition to hoods, Winston CVap does not require a floor drain either. Retherming cold, transported food is another primary use for the RTV. Food is transported to satellite sites, where it is then heated or brought back up to temp and held for serving. Satellite lines and kiosk feeding sites could be used for individual pizza, sandwich, coffee bar, or other ancillary sites where lines outside of the main kitchen can be cooked and then held. The RTV is also found in stadiums, sports complexes, concession stands, where capacity and volume are critical needs. Bulk reheating of packaged meals, chubs, or other frozen pre-cooked foods is a breeze for the RTV, as it provides a quick and easy way to bring the foods to safe serving temperature fast. Overnight cooking of large proteins, although not widely known for the RTV's main application, the RTV is capable of packing the power to cook items like a prime rib roast, pulled pork, porchetta, leg of lamb, and much, much more. The RTV is great for breakfast operations, especially with the delayed start option for preheating ovens before anyone is in the building. And having them ready to load with food allows operators to save time on prep and labor. Central kitchen operations where volume is the goal, not speed or time. The RTV is a workhorse, with the capacity to cook, retherm, and hold up to 14 sheet pans, or 28 full-size hotel pans of food. Operating during renovations or construction projects are also popular applications for retherm equipment. We see school districts and assisted living communities closing down kitchens temporarily and running power to multiple retherm ovens in a cafeteria where they can still cook food during the construction. RTVs can be used as emergency ovens because of their flexibility. If an oven, steamer, or holding cabinet goes down, the retherm can be tapped to step in and provide relief. The RTV was originally designed to reheat foods, but it offers a great modern feature, sous vide mode, an underutilized and often overlooked setting of the RTV. Besides promoting consistency, efficiency, and speed of service, the best part of the RTV sous vide mode is that it does not require a bag, allowing the operator to lower operating costs as well as be environmentally friendly because of the bagless opportunity that only the RTV offers. However, if you choose to bag your food, the RTV can accommodate that too. Culinary arts programs utilize the power of C-Vap in the RTV by learning about how water is used to control food. As the practical applications are endless with C-Vap, students understand the fundamental principle that food is water and water is food. If you have any questions regarding the features and benefits of the Winston RTV ovens, please contact our customer care department for further assistance. They will be happy to assist.